Nobody told me that it would be sweet. Got me looking up at the sky, go wondering why the sun don't shine the same. Lord, why you had to make it rain on me? Yeah. Gave him an Adderall cause these niggas been sleeping on me. I knew she was lying when she told me she'll never leave me alone. One of a kind, God keep blessing me like they sneezing on me. At night I be crying, asking the Lord to get these demons out. I gotta let it all go, trying to hide this pain. This shit deeper than what y'all know. Praying for my gang, instead of wishing that we all blow. They real and never change, I swear to God.
Hey man, say man, what it do? It's your boy JC TV here, back with another video, man. And you can see by the thumbnail and the title, man, we are doing another mob, man. Let me pull it out for y'all real quick. We have my rear diffuser, man. Let me actually take it out the plastic. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have my rear diffuser, man. Rear diffuser. So I went ahead and started the process of taking it off because I ain't even gonna cap with y'all. Dodge make it so hard to take your diffuser out. Literally, like, I had to jack the car up so I could get under here. But you got screws, man. My finger, actually, I just gotta work. You got screws right here that you gotta take off, and there's one screw right there that's gotta come off. So I'm finna, you know, since I already took them out, let me show y'all what they look like. You got 4 screws like this, and then 2 pull pins. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off, man. It's pretty easy, you know. It's clips that's up here. So alright, I got it. So basically, you see where these screw holes are, right? It separates from the actual bumper itself. Let me see if I can, I can't even show you. Hold on, flip the camera. So basically what I did, I screwed the screws back into the bumper to the actual car, and then let the diffuser hang. And then once I did that, you know, just slowly start pulling it off. Just pull it off. Pull it off. There's a ton of dirt back here. Yes, sir. I mean, no sir to the dirt, but like, yes, sir, we got it off. Yes, sir. I think I'm finna clean back here. Hold on, let me clean this up. Alright, bro. I ain't even gonna count. That's way better. So what we finna do now is go ahead and put this thing on. So the same way you took it off, it's the same way you put it on, literally. By these clips that you see. So it's kind of hard to hold the camera and do it. So let me get my gimbal.
Yeah.
Alright, bro. So after like 15 years of trying this, it's on, bro. It is on. It is staying on. I ain't taking it off. But yeah, basically what you gotta do when you clip them in up here, you gotta push up instead of push forward because you're just gonna bend the clip. So push up and push it in, and then, you know, I still gotta tighten these bolts up under here and on that side. But other than that, man, that's basically the install, you know. Drop the video on the side marker 10, you know, front and rear. Only thing left. Well, I ain't even gonna say only thing left because it's a lot left, but we got a lot left to do, man. But boy, look at the difference it made, bro. Like, for real. Once I drop the car, once I put all these clips in and drop the car, you know, show y'all a better view. Yes, sir, man. I had to come over here to finish my video, but Hold on. Ah! Yes, sir. Mango getting better about a second, boy. Hold on, let me get it to the side for y'all. Yes, sir. Rear diffuser from Icon Motorsports, man. Icon Motorsports, man. They'll get you right. I promise you they will, bro. Man, but look, that's just one of the first real like modifications that I added. You know, drop the video with the side marketing. You know, drop the video with the stickers and everything. Them ain't serious mods, bro. We got a lot coming, like the splitter, the RGB lights, the wicker bill. I ain't gonna say nothing else. But yeah, man, just had to go ahead and show y'all. Just look at how. Ooh, wait till them black tips come, but ooh, boy. Yes, sir. Man, that's about it for this video, man. You know, just had to show y'all. The befores and after, man, and the process of me doing it. So with that being said, man, I'm about done with this video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, browse, man. We go all the way up, all 2021, man, for sure. But I appreciate all of y'all, bro. You know, I'm gonna give y'all wisdom of the day, man. You know, keep your faith high. You know, faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. I'm jumbling my words, but I'm tired. I just got off. Yeah, man. Faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen, man. You know, you gotta believe. You just gotta believe regardless, bro. Whatever situation y'all going through, it's a plan. It's always something. Whatever situation y'all going through, bro, like whatever trial and tribulation that is hindering you from elevating in life, bro, just keep your faith high and pray about it, bro. Keep your relationship. Man, whatever situation it is that you have going on in life, bro, I can tell you from firsthand that keeping your relationship and your faith high, you know, that'll take you out of that situation, you know. Keeping that relationship with God, keeping your faith high, you know, elevating from the situation and overcoming it, bro. It's all about faith, man. You gotta believe that you're gonna overcome that situation. You can't be stuck on it and let it linger on, because it's not gonna do nothing good for you. It's just gonna hold you back, man. So that's my wisdom of the day. You know, if y'all want more, because I don't overload every day, add me on Snapchat at yourboy.jc. I don't know why I'm telling y'all. Add me on Snapchat, man, yourboy.jc. Instagram, yourboy.jc. You know, I post on there every day. If not every day, then almost every day to, you know, give y'all a motivational speech, man. But with that being said, bro, we go up all 2021. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, man. I appreciate all of y'all. And with that being said, I'm out.
It's just some different shit. Hey, yo, Ran, turn that up.